All right, it's time for a quick little experiment about air pressure. We're going to start by just turning on this hot plate. You can see the light came on, and we're just going to have it up to high. All right, next we are just going to fill this up with some water. That should be good. Just gonna lift it out and put it right here. All right, next we're gonna take this empty can and just rinse it with some water so you know there's nothing weird in there. Okay, fill it with some water, shake it around, dump it up. Okay, then we're gonna grab this graduated cylinder and we're going to put some water in here, and that's a decent amount. We're going to add that inside the can, and then we're going to put the can on the hot plate, and we're going to let this warm up until we have a good amount of steam coming out the top. All right, you can see all that steam from the water, so this can is filled with water vapor, a little bit of water left on the bottom. I'm going to take these tongs to grab it, and voila, the effects of air pressure.